On behalf po of Brother Eddie and our whole family, we are celebrating and thanking God for His faithfulness for 39 years dyan po sa JIL Nueva Ecija.
Tunay nga po na ang Panginoong Hesus ang kasagutan sa anumang katanungan, sa anumang problema, sa anumang pagsubok na ating kinakaharap.
You were the Word at the beginning, one with God, the Lord Most High. Your hidden glory in creation, now revealed in you, our Christ. What a beautiful name it is! What a beautiful name it is! The name of Jesus Christ, my King. What a beautiful name it is. Nothing compares to this. What a beautiful name it is. The name of Jesus.
Last August 20 po, yung tema natin, Possessing the Land. No, nakita na po natin yung 1,000 square meter for some grade 7. At kahit hindi pa bayad, dahil ang tema noong buwan na yun, Possess the Land, tinapakan na po namin. Kaya ho, sa biyaya po ng Diyos, ngayong buwan po, last November 20, nagpirmahan na po tayo. Binili na po natin ang lupa.
Ang JIL San Jose po ay 27 years na. Ang inyong pong konsehala ay 17 years na po dito sa simbahan.
You didn't want heaven without us, so Jesus, you brought heaven down. My sin was great, your love was greater. What could separate us now?
Ako si Sister Aida Cleopas. Dati may sakit sa kidney stone at ngayon pinagaling ako ng ating Panginoon.
Of Jesus Christ, my King. What a